Hello, my name is Jack. I'm a product specialist here at Acura. Today I want to touch on the RDX, in particular the RDX Advanced and the RDX A-Spec Advanced packages. These are equipped with the heads-up display, as you could see there, and I want to go over adjustment settings. So settings are found down here, not in the infotainment system here at all, which is very nice. So on the fly, you are able to adjust down and up for the brightness, and then tilting up and down for the display. So as you can see, if I use the heads-up display tilt, depending on your seating position, you can adjust the tilt. So this is really important to use this feature because you do want to have this custom to your seat settings. So we'll leave it there, and then if you go down to the lower button, depending on your sensitivity to light, you might want this down. It's still visible. Or if you really do like that intensity, you can turn it all the way up and it's very bold and visible to the driver.